Greetings and welcome back to The Pride. My name is Muphasa El Matador. They call me the Curious Cat. My job is pretty simple. I help you catch the momentum. And today we're looking at the top stocks to trade for March 8, 2022. This series is geared towards all of my day traders and my swing traders. If you would like to have content to our long-term trades, hit the link above and come see all of our due diligence. With that said, let's jump into it. This is an oil and gas trade, and oil and gas has been a massive hit for us at the Profit Team. If you want to join us and see how we trade these stocks, hit the like and subscribe button and join the Patreon. The Patreon link is going to be down in the description below. We would love to have you come see us. We do all the simple things consistently. With that said, I'm going to hit this one off with NINE. NINE is the first stock on the Momentum series for today. I got hit by one of our oil experts, and she told me that NINE was a massive rip during pre-market. As you can see, this thing started its run from about my ice line. It was under that though. It was under about $3 when it started running. So I looked at it during pre-market and I saw critical levels would be $6.10, and I was going to load the boat at $5.67. So it came out the gate, boom, 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 hit $8. And now I'm excited. So we're waiting for this thing to come to us because we don't chase in the Profit Team. When it hit my ice line, I established my position, picked up a couple of stocks, and there was a bounce right after that quickly to $7. We did not do anything. We watched the trade and it fell below my ice line. That didn't hold. When it hit support, I loaded the boat, and a couple of minutes later, NINE was on its way back. It hit $7.86 thereabout. I think I put my trading stop loss right here when the RSI was way overbought, and it kicked me out to $7.65. And that was my first trade for today. NINE, check it out. However, before I let you guys jump to the second trade, immediately Joe Biden took the podium. This thing just started bleeding out. It broke my ice line. It broke my support line. It hung around there for a little bit. But after I broke that, I knew that this trade was too weak to even consider. And you can see ice is where resistance turns into support. Here it's serving as resistance. It's refusing to break the $6 line. And I do all of these while the market is still open. So you can see that this trade is really weak right now. However, it might be able to blow past 611, at which point we might trade it again, following the momentum of oil and gas. With that said, let's move to the second trade of the day. The second trade is definitely ENSV. I really enjoyed this trade. It shows everything that is beautiful about what we do. This one was put on my radar by the cowboy trader immediately the market was open. As you can see, it came out the gates and went on a massive rip. Boom, boom, 738. And we clocked in our resistance level. It fell down and I got in right here once the RSI bled to catch the first bounce. The first bounce is always the best trade. So I picked it up at $5 and some change, and I and the cowboy trader decided we're going to get out at $7 even. It went to 660 and we got greedy, expecting it to hit $7 and probably even blow past that. But that didn't happen. You can see the next three candles were all red. Boom, boom, boom. And so we're looking at this, looking at the weakness. I decided to buy more shares right around this level, and I clocked in my support. The next few candles were very pretty. Boom, boom, boom. A little rejection. Boom, 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 boom. But I was not going to be greedy, and I got out at 650. I sold most of my shares at 650, and then I sold the rest of it once it hit resistance at 730. This thing continued to blow, hit 870. I don't know when the cowboy trader got out, but this was a massive trade for us. Immediately we took profits. Biden came through and caused an amazing bleed, man. This thing lost all of its gains, passed through my ice line, passed through my resistance, and found support right around $4. It tried to do a little recovery, but as you can see, it's getting back to my support levels right now. I don't think the market responded kindly to Biden banning Russian oil. Second stock for our momentum trades was ENSV. If the momentum comes back, these are all oil and gas trades, and it has been a banger for us. ENSV, check it out. Last week we got in At 50 cents, we took our calls, hit the home run at $1 on Friday, got out completely, still holding hundreds of shares. On Monday, I took another call. This time it was the $1 call. And this morning, it just came out blazing. I took profits on my calls at 198. I was up 78% on that trade. I still held a little because why not wait for 100%? If you like to see how we trade these stocks, hit the link in the description to join the profit team. Become a patron and you can see all of our trades. You can get coaching and guidance and see how we do the things we do. We're an amazing family. We do the simple things consistently. As you know, we have one crypto coin at the end of this video. So stick with me until the end and you can see how to play that particular play. Like and subscribe if you like content like this, and let's jump into it. So CEI, right off the bat, I took my profit 78% on that trade and I held on to some calls and some shares. I had my ICE line already. This used to be resistance, and it turned into ICE today at 155. You can see it literally fell and dropped right here and had it bounce back. This was an awesome trade from 155 all the way to 180. What I was expecting and hoping for was it to break the 187, which is current resistance, turn this into ICE and ride that momentum all the way to $4. That didn't happen today because if you haven't noticed, all of our trades today were in the oil and gas sector. And once Biden came out, everything went to hell. It went down, broke through ICE. It found support at the next ICE line. This used to be resistance as well. And it turned into ICE, but only briefly, only for it to fall, break through that, broke through the support line at 122 and found support right around $1. And now it's trading sideways, consolidating between support and ICE. And we're watching this one closely to see how the oil and gas story plays out. Momentum series with our bonus coin. Today we have Goldfinch doing his thing. This story is still being told. I'm glad that you guys can see us ride the momentum. For new traders, the 21 EMA is always a good place to pick a trade, especially when it has momentum. We saw this one ride off the 21 EMA around 250 all the way to $3. Immediately it came back and consolidated right around 278 to 280. I drew my support line and I took my position. I've been in this one, riding it all the way. I clocked in resistance at 339. However, I haven't sold. I haven't done anything yet. The RSI bled out and it's still on its way back. If you can stick with it all the way, you can see this one probably break through resistance and start going somewhere new. I like to do these live so you can see this, but this is crypto land. So this thing could continue blazing. I see support around the 280 level if this one breaks. However, I'm going to let you guys go catch this wave right away. My name is Muphasa. If you like trades like this, if you like anything that concerns trading, come join us in the profit team by hitting the subscribe button and the Patreon link. The Patreon link sends you straight to us. It's a private little chat group. We talk about trades, we research, we do investing. I think is the best place to be, in my personal opinion. Like and subscribe if you like content like this. Hit the like and subscribe. Smash that button so you can see every time we put out videos like this. Whenever there's momentum, we ride the wave. And I'm here to take you on that journey all the way. With that said, it's Muphasa El Matador. Peace. Oh, look at that. Literally hitting resistance. I'm not going to go. Let's see if this thing breaks resistance and then I'm going to check out. Come on now. Look at that. The market is honey drip with buy and sell orders. It hit resistance and got rejected. This is just easy stuff, guys. Anyways, if you like things like this, don't forget, like and subscribe and join the team so you can trade like a boss. Peace.